So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, ang pinaka-pinag-uusapan, pinakabagong camera guys ng DJI this year 2026 guys. Sobrang dami naghihintay nito, sobrang dami nag-request nito. So right now we have it. So tara unbox natin to. This will be our first impression video. Let's go. So right from the box itself, makikita mo naman guys, DJI Osmo Pocket 4, and for the first time ever guys, dual lens na po siya. Right on the back, sabi dito it has a dual camera, enhanced 1-inch CMOS sensor with 17 stops of dynamic range guys. Just to let you know, kakaibang level po yun. And dynamic range basically helps a lot of professional videographers, content creators, color grade their footage to the next level. Yung mga standard right now, 12, 13, 14 stops lang po yan. Like for example, ito FX na nagamit ko, around 12 to 14 stops lang po yan. But this is 17 stops, which actually you can only achieve using yung mga Red Alexa camera. So tara, unbox natin to. Let's go guys. So excited na ako guys. So again, alam nyo naman, na-test natin lahat ng mga pocket camera this year 2026. And for the longest time, again, ang dami nagme-message sa atin nito. And pagdating nito kahapon, sobrang na-excite ako. Actually, kahapon gusto ko siyang buksan, but hindi ko pa siya pwedeng buksan kasi bawal pa po mag-activate ng device. But here we are. Smell test, okay. Amoy DJI na bago. Okay. So again, we have here, by the way, the bundle vlog combo. Just to let you know, it basically includes everything na ipapakita ko sa inyo right now. So tabi muna natin siya. We have, of course, the DJI sticker. Hindi pwedeng mawala yan, guys. Pwede mo ito idikit sa mga Pelican mo, sa mga hard cases mo, sa drones, or whatsoever. Just funny, no, na dati, drone pilot lang ako, but right now, alam niyo na, pinapadala tayo DJI. So we have a bag na medyo soft siya. Malalaman natin kung para saan ito mamaya. So it has 2 bags. That's interesting ha. Medyo nakakabilib yun ha. Bakit may dalawang bag? Malalaman natin kung bakit. Maybe maraming inclusions. But this second bag is the traditional Osmo Pocket bag. So hindi ko alam kung bakit may extra bag. But again, malalaman nga natin. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, buksan natin siya. Ito na guys. For the first time ever. As in. So, ganito yung tsura niya pag bukas mo. It's really packed. Before, usually, naka-separate box siya sa loob ng box. But I think possible nagtitipid si DJI for economic purposes. Okay. First in the box, meron siyang dalawang magnet, which I believe magagamit mo to guys pag naglalapel ka. So, papakita ko po sa inyo. Okay. It has a clip magnet. And it has a magnetic magnet na nakukuha sa ordinary kaysa DJI products, DJI mic products. Okay, the mic you can get right out of the box of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P is the DJI Mic Mini 2. Yung normal Osmo Pocket 4 actually includes the DJI Mic 3. But right now, this includes the DJI Mic 2. So this is worth taking note kung importante sa'yo guys kasi malaki talaga yung difference sa dalawang mic na to. But again, let's put that aside. We have here, of course, this is the thread adapter, of course, as you can see. Wala tong battery, just to let you know. This has USB-C and 1/4 thread mount here. This is very confusing ever since also before nung Pocket 3 series pa lang. Akala ko may battery to pero wala po yan. We have here cables. I believe this will be a charger, a lanyard, a USB-C to USB-C, sorry. And we have another charger and lanyard. Ang daming nangyayari ngayon sa package ng 4P Check natin guys. Baka may something nakakaiba. Okay, so this is a charger. Okay, malalaman natin kung para saan to mamaya. And according actually shoutout kay Mary Bautista, nakita ko sa story niya na DJI Osmo Pocket 4P will include 3 charging needs actually just for a pocket camera. And that's actually insane, no? Paano mo pa actually yung drone Kasi sa drone, 2 charger lang kailangan mo, battery and the remote But this one, may charger ka sa mic, may charger ka alam ko kung para saan to. Doon sa tinatawag nilang frame top. Kasi meron din po siyang remote. Nakatulad na nahanap natin sa competitor po niya. And then you have a charger on the unit itself. So 3 chargers to guys, just to let you know. So whenever taking this to your journeys travel, probably kailangan mo ng extra charging brick for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Next, we have here the fill light. Okay. Of course, this is the latest innovation guys ng 4P or the 4 series ng Osmo Pocket. May fill light siya. Actually, ito, nagagamit naman to usually in the very dark scenarios kasi maganda naman yung dynamic range ng camera na to. So definitely, this will really help you, like revamp the shadows na kailangan mo just in case na sobrang dilim. We have here, of course, ito ang pinaka-iconic at pinaka-cute na universal tripod na ever na nahawakan ko guys kasi sobrang liit lang din niya. And 1/4 thread mount po yan. And we have here, okay, this is the interesting part. Wait lang. We have here a cover. Just in case guys, kasi puti yung binigay nila na DJI Mic Mini 2. You can actually magnet this black one, okay? Next, we have here, okay, this is their latest innovation and they call this the frame tap. Okay, basically, ito yung panangga nila guys sa competitor nila na meron pong detachable display na pwede mong i-remote yung pocket camera mo. Well, in this case, hindi mo mare-remove yung display but pwede mong i-control yung camera mo by using the frame tap. And again, here, yung charging niya. So, again, yun yung pinakita natin kanina. Next, I believe, uy! Oh, mabigat siya. Asa yung yung ordinary na pocket 4, yung ordinary na pocket 4. This is the normal pocket 4, okay? Standard pala. Sorry, natatawag na po nating ordinary ang standard pocket 4 kasi may pro na po. And here is the mabigat talaga siya. Medyo nakaka-impress. Kasi pag mabigat, ibig sabihin, there's much tech in that product. And here is the actual unit itself. Tatanggalin ko muna yung mga plastics. Whoop, whoop. Whoop. And for the first time ever, we see the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. Right out of the box, makikita natin meron siyang vents dito. Well, I believe because napaka-powerful guys ng processing na kailangan or heat ventilation requirement guys ng camera to. Kasi talaga, like, if you will look at the camera itself guys, grabe yung lens talaga nila. And we're gonna power it on in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wow! Uy, laki! Ang laki niya, guys! This is the Pocket 4 and this is the Pocket 4P. So, yeah. What do you think? Again, this has, sabi dito sa box this has a dual camera cinematic sensor, 17 stops of dynamic range. It has 103 gigabytes of internal storage, which is a very, very big plus compared sa competitor niya na 47 gig. And actually, it's a 3 gig to 4 gig minus compared sa 4 series na standard, which I don't know kung bakit naging ganun yung difference niya. It also has a 4K 240 frames per second. Walang mini-mention guys na 8K dito unlike sa competitor niya. Of course, 3-axis siya. But again, medyo noticeable talaga guys yung pagiging chunk nung camera talaga niya, as you can see talaga here. It has a new D-Log 2. Okay, just to let you know, D-Log 2 for the first time ever ko lang to narinig. And I think it's the first time ever actually on a camera from DJI. So nilabas nila for the first time on the Pocket 4P. And that's actually a very, very big advantage sa competition nila right now. Well, yung competition nila right now, meron ng iLog na tinatawag or yun yung log option nila. But since nagkaroon ng log option, yung naglabas po si DJI ng bagong log option which is the D-Log 2, which of course is gonna be way, way better than the standard D-Log. So, abangan nyo guys yung ating full review of the unit itself. Pupunta ako ng Thailand 2 days from now and I'm gonna test this on Thailand and malalaman natin guys kung maganda ba talaga siya, solid ba talaga siya, ano mga disadvantage niya. So, abangan nyo yung video na yun. Make sure nakasubscribe kay Kuya James here on YouTube channel guys. And make sure guys to turn on the notification bell guys. So, again, this is the Pocket 4P first impression video.